This video will demonstrate how to add, replace or remove a tag on a mob. The video is relevant to AgriWeb's mob management platform. There are two types of tags in AgriWeb: a herd tag for cattle or flock tag for sheep. This is the physical plain coloured tag used for group identification. For example, red tag for 2022 year of birth. A management tag is used for a non-physical grouping tag for reporting and day-to-day management. For example, twins is used as a management tag to identify the mob as currently twin-bearing ewes. It is important to note mobs need to have the same tags to be merged. Here we are demonstrating tagging records on the mobile app. To add a tag to an existing herd from the farm map, select the icon. Select the blue button View Details for the herd you wish to tag. Hit More on the bottom right of screen. You now have the record option to tag, remove tag or replace tag. Select Tag to create a tagging record. Select the tagging date. You wish to select one or multiple herds to tag. Then select the tag type. This video shows a list of predefined management tags which you can set up for a faster and accurate process. Multiple herd and management tags can be assigned to mobs in a single record. Then hit the green Save button to save the record. Removing tag allows for old tags to be removed but will not allow for the creation of a new tag. Adjust the date, select one or multiple herds, and then select the tag or tags that are to be removed. Press the green Save button to save the record. Replacing a tag allows for tags to change in line with how they are altered on farm through different life cycle or production stages. This can be useful for merging mobs, as merging mobs together requires the mobs to have the same tags. Tagging records can also be created on the web app. To find more help from the mobile app, go to Menu at the bottom left of screen, then select Support. Or from the web app, go to Get Help from the bottom left of screen. You can start a live chat with our helpful customer support team, access the Help Centre to search for guidance and answers, or join the AgriWeb Academy to begin a learning course.